Welcome to English Tone. Today's video is not just another list of tips. This video is a complete fluency roadmap for your English journey in 2026. It does not matter if you feel shy. It does not matter if you failed before. It does not matter if you do not have anyone to practice English with. If you follow this system patiently and consistently, you can speak English confidently in 2026. This is not a shortcut. This is a complete training system for your mind, your voice, your confidence, and your daily habits. Because learning English is not only about speaking words. It is about building a new version of yourself, a person who can connect with the world. So whether you understand English but cannot speak, or you freeze when it is time to talk, or you dream of studying, working, or living in an English-speaking environment, this video is designed for you. And remember, this journey will not only improve your English, it will also change your mindset, your routine, and your belief in yourself. When you learn a new language, you slowly become a new person. Before we begin, subscribe to English Tone. Every video here is created to help you speak English clearly and confidently. Now, let us begin. Step 1. Fix the real problem. The real problem is not your English. The real problem is your environment. Most learners fail because English does not exist in their daily life. Think about a plant. If there is no water, no sunlight, and no care, it cannot grow. Your English is the same. If your day is filled with your native language, if your habits avoid speaking, and if English appears only in class or videos, fluency will not grow. So the solution is simple but powerful. Change your environment. Set your phone language to English. Let English be the first thing you see every morning. Speak English during normal activities, brushing teeth, walking, cooking. Say simple sentences out loud. I am brushing my teeth. I feel tired today. I need to finish my work. This trains your brain naturally. Write one page in English every morning. Do not worry about mistakes. Just write your thoughts. Start your day with 10 minutes of English input. No social media scrolling. Just English audio, video, or a short story. Place English sentences on your wall or mirror. Read them aloud every day. Your brain learns through exposure and repetition. The more English you see and hear, the more natural it becomes. You do not need to move abroad. You need to bring English into your daily life. Step 2. Train your mouth to speak. Many learners understand English but cannot speak. Why? Because speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth is trained for your native language, not English. So you must train your mouth daily. The first method is shadowing. Choose a simple English video. Play one sentence. Pause. Repeat. Then play again and speak with the speaker. Match speed, rhythm, and emotion. Your mouth will struggle at first. That is a good sign. It means learning is happening. The second method is the 3-2-1 speaking drill. Choose a topic. Speak for 3 minutes. Then speak again for 2 minutes. Then again for 1 minute. This builds speed, clarity, and confidence. The third method is mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak about your day, feelings, or plans. Speak honestly, slowly, and clearly. Recording yourself once a week is also powerful. Listen to your voice. Notice pauses and mistakes. Improve step by step. Fluency is not about knowing more. It is about speaking more. Step 3. Build brain fluency. If your mind thinks in your native language, speaking English will feel slow. True fluency begins in the mind. You must train your brain to think in English. Start with thought chains. Begin a sentence and continue naturally. Do not stop or translate. Create no translation moments. For example, while brushing teeth or making tea, think only in English. Grammar does not matter here. Habit matters. Connect English with emotion. Say your feelings in English. I am excited. I feel nervous. I am proud of myself. Emotion makes language stick. When English becomes the language of your thoughts, speaking becomes automatic. Step 4. Master repetition. Fluency does not come from learning new things every day. It comes from repeating useful things deeply. Repeat sentences, not just words. Create your own sentence collection. Repeat them daily. Use them in speaking and writing. Watch one English video many times instead of watching many videos once. Repetition builds confidence. Repetition builds memory. Repetition builds fluency. Step 5. Practice even when you are alone. You do not need a partner to practice English. Speaking alone is not strange. It is powerful. Speak to the mirror. Create imaginary conversations. Practice real-life situations. Record daily voice journals. Listen weekly and notice your progress. Speaking alone builds courage and confidence. Step 6. Speak like a human. Do not speak like a textbook. Speak like a real person. Use natural phrases. Use emotion. Use pauses. Do not chase perfection. Chase connection. Simple English with confidence is more powerful than perfect English with fear. Use everyday expressions. Use body language. Breathe and relax. When you speak like a human, people listen. Fluency is not just a skill. It is a transformation. Make this promise to yourself. I will not quit because of fear. I will not quit because of mistakes. I will stay consistent. And one day, without forcing it, English will feel natural, because it has become part of you. This is English tone. Keep practicing. Your voice matters.